forex traders who don't use stops. Okay, so what do they do when a position goes against them? What do you do? Especially if you get into like a black swan type of event. Like I've seen currency moves of 10-15% a couple of times. You add, oh my god, that sounds like they're gonna blow up sooner or later. What happens if you get on the wrong side of a black swan? You're done. Let's say you're used to like 1-2% moves, and then you get a 15% move, and every few percent you add. Yeah, exactly. I was thinking of that. The euro Swiss franc, right? That was I know some fund. I think it was a hedge fund that blew up on it. Yeah. Exactly. So you get one event like that, you're done. You're done. Your career is over. Thanks, bye. Exactly. Deposit more cash and try again. Yeah. And even if it always comes back to the mean, in the meanwhile, you can blow out. You'll get a margin call and you're done. Thanks. Now you own money. Now you owe money, right? Yeah, I've never traded Forex. I really don't know. I just keep to the stuff I understand. And heck, I barely understand stocks, so I have no business. I tried options. I'm too scared of doing futures or Forex. I've tried Bitcoin, Ethereum. Exactly. The most important thing is not what you know, is that you realize the things you don't know. I think that's more important than knowing a lot of stuff. Knowing what you don't know, I think, is more important because it keeps you out of trouble. And if you can stay out of trouble, you only need to do a few things right and you'll get successful anyways.